Hey, it's Mr. Peace. I'm here at Ferndale Upper Elementary School, aka Fuel, and this is in Oak Park, Michigan, near the school office, the main lobby, main entrance of the building. We had an assembly today for all the grades, primarily grades 3, 4, and 5 in the gymnasium, and the main focus was positivity, being your best self. So I'm near this poster board that says, "Believe in yourself and you will be unstoppable," because a lot of the assembly focused on turning our negative thoughts or negative beliefs about ourselves into something more positive. And if we can start doing that, talking more positively to ourselves, the person that we're going to talk to the most in our life, ourselves, then we're going to start to see improvements in our lives, right? More friends, higher self-confidence, higher self-esteem, better grades, and just all around, it's going to be a lot better, just because our focus is shifting from the negativity to the positivity. And the underlying sub-theme, again, being your best self as it relates to doing our best, giving our best effort, having a positive attitude in every area of our lives and with everyone in our lives, and really always knowing that certain things that might be difficult, if we can stick with it, keep pushing, not give up. The opposite of success is not failure, but giving up. So if we can choose to never quit, that will make us stronger in the long run, right? Like the story of the butterfly that we talked about, it needs every second in that cocoon, that chrysalis, until it can finally break free and become the beautiful creation that we know that it is, right? Because that fluid's getting pumped through its wings and finally into, its entire body, so it will be able to fly after it goes through this struggle, this difficult time, this really, really tough moment in its life. And so, yeah, storms have to happen sometimes for the rainbows to appear. But that's also why I have this shirt for this assembly. It says, "Keep your head up," and it's upside down on purpose, the words, because if you look down or feel down or feeling sad, it's a reminder to keep thinking positive no matter what. And the students really got that. They really took it to heart today. They really took it home. And through the heartfelt stories, the positive inspirational music, some of the motivational videos as well that I played for them, they kind of grasped the main lessons, and it really reinforced what I was trying to hammer home, which was the idea that we have to think more positively, right? That we can always be giving a little bit more effort, and we can always, choose kind of like the angle of vision of how we approach a certain situation, right? So once we are, buying into this concept of always, trying to see the positive in everything around us, right? Then the next step becomes understanding our power and our worth and our value, which always ties into this concept. The lines on our hand, we all have the letter M on each of our palms. At least one on each hand, sometimes a faint line connects it. I traced one of mine here. This M stands for miracle. Upside down W for worthy, that we're all beautiful miracles, worthy of love to both give it and receive it. But we have to believe this, right? And it's so important we do, because a lot of students I speak to, even including myself growing up, when I had a speech problem, impediment, a stuttering problem, an issue like that, really, what it did for me is start to question, whether I was really worth it, or really worthy of love, if I was a miracle. But I had people that believed in me, that were my champions, and we can be that light to someone else's heart too. And this world needs us, right? It needs us to be those best friends for each other, to not bully, to stand up for what's right. And they really got that concept here at Fuel. They have a welcoming atmosphere, a great environment, just people that are present in the moment, and just really truly believing not only in themselves, but helping the people around them believe in themselves too, right? And that's what this is about, just lifting each other up higher than ourselves. And if we're great at something, that's great, but the sign of a true leader is now go help someone else out who's not as good as you, right? We rise by lifting others. So again, thank you so much for touching my heart. It was a beautiful afternoon. Hope to see you all again soon. Until then, though, and as always, make sure to hit the subscribe button. You'll see pop up on the screen. You can also check out this playlist below for some additional motivation. And feel free to visit my website by clicking on the peace sign symbol on your phone, tablet, wherever you're watching this video, to track my journey across this country as I continue to heal America's heart, one school at a time. Peace.